Welcome to Crypthority. On this YouTube channel, you find educative resources that would help you make informed decisions in the crypto market. All right, today we are going to look at something pretty interesting, and that is how to buy a coin before it is listed on Binance. So, why should we be even particular about this? I'll explain very shortly. But before that, I would like to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Do take every information here as education and entertainment. All right, so let's jump right into it. Why should we even think of buying a coin before it's listed on Binance? Now, this is quite different from Launchpad. You could check a link in the description to a Launchpad video I just did. But these are coins or tokens which are already listed on other exchanges and they're about to have their turn on Binance. Now, this is usually a very, very profitable opportunity or chance, because many people in anticipation to the listing on Binance will begin to buy that particular coin or token, because Binance is by far the largest exchange, and that creates a lot of trading volume for that particular coin, thereby leading to an upsurge in the price, right? So that is what usually happens. So I want us to look at an example that was really recent, then we can move on from there. So this is September 13th, as you can see. September 13th, on September 13th, sorry, Binance announced that they were going to list a token called Gala, and that was around 2 that was around 2 p.m. if I'm right. So let's see how this market or the token reacted to this news. Okay, let's see how traders reacted to the announcement of Gala. That was on September 13th at about 2. All right, so what I said, usually the market reacts positively to such news because people will usually want to buy in anticipation to the listing on Binance so that they can make quick profits, because once it gets to Binance, there's going to be more volume and then it leads to an increase in the price. So let's look at it on CoinMarketCap. So this is Gala, right? This is Gala. And then let's look at it, right? This, we are going to check out the dates. Now, this particular date here, we can see here, right? So this date here was the 12th. So let me take that again so that we can see. Right, so on the 12th, and you can see on the top here, you can see the prices: high, low, average. Okay, so on the 12th, that was the day before the announcement, and on the day of the announcement, look at this, look at how price moved gorgeously. This is the day of the announcement, that the line, so you can see the line I'm showing here, and that day was the 13th. Look, if you have to look up here, you see that was the 13th of September. And from that day, and you can see the high, low, and average price, right? So from that day through to the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Gala moved so high. On the 13th, the average price of Gala was 0.048, and it moved and moved and moved and moved as high as 0.1199 average on the 18th. So looking at the span of about 5 days, Gala was just on an upsurge, and anyone who was able to get in on Gala on the day of the announcement, even at the price of the highest price of 0.07, would have been able to cash out on this at 0.13. And even currently, let's say you couldn't even cash out, looking at the current price of Gala, you will still be in profit, right? Buying it on the announcement day of 0.048, and then today is 0.09. 0.09. So you can see that. So that is what usually happens when a particular coin is announced. So what do you do when there was an announcement, or when there's an announcement? And I'm going to illustrate that with a real-time example. Today, today's date. Today is the 30th of September, as you can see, and we have the date, the time is 10:26 GMT or UTC. Now, there is another announcement of another listing. So let's check it out. So Binance has announced new listing, right? Bonfida or Bonfida, I don't really know how it's pronounced, but Binance announced that they're going to list this at about 2:33, right? So I want us to look at how the market has reacted to this, because people will go in to buy this in anticipation for the listing, right? Because they feel like it's going to get more volume and increase in price the more, so that they can capitalize on that short-term price volatility and volume to make some profits. So let's check out how this token Bonfida or Bonfida has reacted to this news. And the truth is, it's going to be listed at 12 p.m. So we have about an hour and 30 minutes to go. So let's check this out and let's see. All right, so today's date. Let's check out how the market has done so far. Let me check the last 24 hours. That will give us a good view of this. So something interesting happened with Bonfida or Bonfida. So let's look at the time. It was announced around 2 a.m. So 30th. So this was 1:59, as you can see, from the time there. And boom, look at how it moved from an average of 5.7 to an average of 6.2. It just moved like that, right? So anybody who was able to get to see the announcement just around 2:30 would have been able to get into this trade, and this moved from a low of 5.7 to a high of 6.2, and that is immense profit in just 1 hour, right? So these are some of the opportunities that listing a coin on Binance brings, or some exchanges, right? And very big exchanges with much volume. So, and you would be wondering why the price is, still ranging around this side but coming down a bit, because in the announcement, Binance mentioned that it was going to list it at 6 a.m. but later changed it to 12 p.m. So everybody is waiting. So you can see that the price is just hovering around this side. But looking at the time the announcement came and the price now, that is huge profit. Now, what people are anticipating is that once it is listed at 12 p.m., there's going to be more volume, which will even shoot this price higher. Right now, at the recording of this video, the price is around 6.5, right? And it was around 5 points something a few hours ago. So normally, this is not foolproof. Normally, what happens is that once it's listed, it's going to go high and then drop, because people would start taking profit. So you should be in a right position to exit the market at the right time, and depending on your strategy. Okay, so looking at the price now, what you can do is that, or what you can usually do is that, the first thing is join Binance Telegram group, announcement group, Twitter, so that you get notified whenever there's an announcement. You get notified in a timely manner. Next, what you do is that you search for that particular token on CoinMarketCap, and you come to the markets. Okay, come to the markets here and see where is this particular token listed already. So when you come here, you realize that we have FIDA token on Gate.io, FTX, Ascend Exchange, or which was known as Bitmax. We have it on Serum, we have it on Hotbit, Radium. Now you see Radium and Serum, that gives you an idea that this particular token is built on the Solana blockchain, right? So you come here and then you go to any of these exchanges and buy it in anticipation to the Binance listing. And as you can see, it's not listed on Binance, so you can't see Binance here. Okay, so this is how people take advantage of such listing opportunities. So that's all you do. Turn up your notifications for Binance announcements. Now, come anytime you're notified, come to CoinMarketCap, check out the market is listed, and then you buy. That is what people did when the announcement came around 2 today, and look at it. This is where the market was, around 159. Now at the close of 259, look at the volume, look at the massive candle, and people would have cashed out. Some people might have cashed out now and waiting for it to be listed. And what they do is that they wait for it to fall again before they enter. You only do that when you believe in the project or you have done your own research. All right, so this is simply an illustration of how to buy a coin before it's listed on Binance. This usually provides huge opportunities in a very short time. So let's see what this token is going to do once it's listed at 12 today, 12 UTC today. Right, probably I'll do a video, follow-up video on this. All right, so if you found the content useful, kindly subscribe and like, and also share. Right. Thank you for making time to watch this. Peace out.